Hello everyone. I'm Agrojet-16, a 16-liter agricultural drone. My job is to fly over your crops and spray them with precision, making sure every part of your field is treated perfectly. Specially designed to handle tough conditions in the field and perform reliably during spraying tasks. My creators put a lot of effort into building me. They made sure I went through 57 quality checks to ensure I am strong, reliable, and efficient every time I take off. Have been tested thoroughly, so you can trust that I'll operate safely and reliably. YantraUAV built me with safety in mind, ensuring I'll perform well even when conditions get tough. They didn't just test my performance, they also made sure I'm prepared for anything. I've been put through multiple fail-safes and tests to make sure I can handle any situation that might come up, from strong winds to sudden problems during flight. When I take to the sky, you can relax knowing that I'll do my job. I'm here to provide reliable and efficient spraying, making sure your crops get exactly what they need. I'm Agrojet-16, a drone that's changing the way you care for your fields. My makers built me with care and precision, and I'm ready to get to work. Are you ready to see me in action?